Hello boss, this is Jerry again. Welcome to our channel. This is the small digital cameras record colorful pictures. This is very nice and tiny. You can see this packaging here. And when you open it, wow, so beautiful. So I'd like to share with you the picture. We have two color. One is white color. The other is the black color, which and with the portable layer too. And this is the charging box here and TF card here. Okay, click insert TF card. Then you can use. Let me share with you the light screen here. Okay, and then we also have a charging cable Type C. Use the menu and portable layer and two carabiner. Okay, two carabiner. If you like this model, we can print the logo for you here or here. If you like it, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. We can support low MOQ. Okay, see. Okay, when you stop press here, the lights. If you like it, please let me know. Thank you so much.